Hi guys, Liz here. Today I'm going to repot a couple of yarrow plants, sow the seeds of bitter gourd, transplant sweet potato, more tomatoes, and pepper plants. Cover your ears. Mulch. I'm putting in some green leaves. Another way of composting. Dirt. My to-go triple 13 fertilizer, new vintage rose yarrow, so pretty, and the yellow one. I sprinkled more triple 13 fertilizer around the plants. I love yarrow because they're so easy to grow here in zone 7 because they thrive in hot, dry, and sunny conditions and can't stand the heat. They become leggy in shady conditions and rarely bloom. They say that yarrow can be used in treating wounds, digestive orders, and inflammation, and it is a perennial herb. That variety of yarrow can grow as tall as 5 feet, whereas that one, which has a red flower, is short and it tends to limb. The sweet peas are almost done, so I sowed some bitter melon or bitter gourd seeds yesterday. I sowed 2 seeds per unit cell. Today I'm going to add 1 per unit cell. This is how the bitter melon seedlings look like. Quite pretty. I'm not going to separate the seedlings because I'm afraid I might kill them. The garlic is a good companion plant for the bitter gourd because it deters pests like aphids and beetles. I never have any success in growing sweet potato vine. Maybe because I cannot resist eating the nutritious leaves. Can you harvest the leaves? Or you're not supposed to harvest the leaves so that the plant can produce the tubers? Don't know. So I use the triple 13 fertilizer and the chicken manure as my fertilizer. First time to plant the super sweet 100 cherry tomato. Spacing 24 to 36 inches. Apart in rows 36 to 48 inches. Maturity is 65 days. Water, consistent soil moisture, and sun exposure is full sun. I'm going to use the chicken manure and the tomato fertilizer 12-10-5 NPK. The lemon verbena plant is blocking the sunlight now to this planter. This patio tomato has lots of fruits. I got some shishito from our local nursery. Every year I try to plant shishito peppers. My mom is half Japanese. That's why I'm planting this Japanese green pepper. These peppers were the volunteers last autumn. I took the seedlings from the pot where the sweet banana peppers were growing, thinking that they were of the sweet banana pepper. So far, I have not seen any sweet banana, but mostly Tabasco and bell pepper.